Good day, everyone. This is a tutorial on how you're going to pay your Globe at home bill using GCash application. Okay, so first you're going to log into your GCash account, and then from here you are going to pay bills, and then from pay bills go to telecoms, and from here just select Globe at home, and then wait for it. So type account number, and then just type in the account number. Let's see, 1 6 and then amount is for 296.17, email address 876 316. Just make sure that you have the right account number. 876 okay, just confirm. Okay, it's better to have an email address typed in so that you have a reference of the payment. Okay, so it has been paid already. Let's just download that one. Just press the download button at the upper right corner to have a reference, or you can just take a screenshot instead. That one just done. Okay, there you go. So it has been paid already. Okay, so you have sent. Okay, so that's, so you can check also. We can okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the confirmation email from GCash. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you're going to pay your Globe at home bills using GCash application. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for today. Have a nice day.